So till now, nobody is having doubt till here. Means till complementary angles, right, children? Those who are having doubt, they can ask me.
Sir, I have a doubt in seventh also.
In complementary angle, seventh one.
Yes, sir.
All right, all right. See what they're asking in the seventh one is express sine 67 and cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 and 45. Means this angle is there, no? 67 and 75 should do in such a way that it should come between 0 and 45. Okay, it should come 0 and 45. So what we did here is sine we wrote as it is, and we have written here 90 minus 23. How 67 will come? If you subtract 23 from 90, so sine 90 minus 23 plus cos as it is we wrote. What we subtract from this one 90, so that we'll get 75. 90 minus 15. So this we are applied complementary angles. This one identity of complement that you know. No, sine 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So this both the angles lies between where? This both angles lies between. This both angles lies between what? Now. So this is cos 23 and sine 15. This both came into complement this between 0 and 45. Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now we are just going to move this some second other this one 8.4 I guess. Okay, 8.4 we are doing now. Page number 193 if you see the textbook. So express the trigonometric ratios sine A, sec A, tan A. Sine A, sec A and tan A in form of cot A. In form of cot A you have to use. Means sine A, how we can write in cot A form? That is our question here. Anybody knows this? How to write sine A in form of cot A? See, first of all, to do this, you have to know the identity, right? Who will tell me the identity? Anyone can tell me the identity? Hemant, tell me the identity, all the three identities. Hemant. You children are not able to hear only, not answering also. What is this?
Sir, I think your voice is a little low.
Voice is low. 1 minute. I just make it. Yeah, it's clear only. Children, it's my voice is low. Is it low? Now it's clear. Samarth?
Yes, sir, now it's a little bit clear.
Okay, fine. So third one is 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. So this way we try to convert these things. Okay. So how we can convert this sine A into cot A? Do you know, Samarth? How to write sine? How to convert this sine A into cot A form? Any trick you know to convert sine into cos? Sorry, sine into cot.
Sir, cot equals to cos by sine. So
Cot is equal to cos by sine. We have not convert cot. No, we have to convert sine into cos.
all right, sir, just a minute.
So see children, I'm just writing here. We know this.
Yes, sir, got it, sir. Sir, just a minute. It's sir, sine A equals to 1 by cosec A. Then 1 by root over of cosec square A. Cosec A, 1 by cosec A can be also written as 1 by whole root of cosec square A. So it will be 1 by root over of 1 plus cot square A. And we got it.
Yeah. Is this clear, children? How we have written this? We know that sine A is reciprocal of 1 by cosec A, and cosec from this equation check it. What we can write for cosec theta? Cosec theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta, and this square if you remove, you will write 1 root over here. Is it clear, children? How to write this?
Sir, could you check the weighting?
What?
check the waiting.
Someone is waiting. Okay. Okay. So see what we did here. Please mute your mic. So we have written cosec A. We can write it as cosec A. We can write cosec theta. We can write it as what? Root over 1 plus cot square theta. So this is the answer of sin A in the form of cot A. Understood? Now what we can write for sec A in form of cot A? Sec A, what we can write? What we can write for sec A in form of cot A?
Sir,
Hmm.
I think it's in the form of tan A, sir.
Yeah, tan A. So what we can write for tan A?
All right, sir. So sec A equals to whole root of sec square A equals to root over of 1 plus tan square A.
Same thing we'll write here. Sec square A is equals to 1 plus tan square A. This we can use. And instead
Yes,
of tan square A, we can write cot. 1 by cot we can write. So sec square A is equals to 1 plus 1 divided by cot square A, right? Now sec A is equals to what we can write? Sec A is equals to root over 1 plus 1 by cot square A. Then you can simplify this, right? It will come cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A. Or we can write cot square A plus 1 divided by cot A, and this should be root. Is it clear or not?
clear, sir?
Children, who is
Yes,
having
sir.
the, I hope 1 or 2 people might have doubt in question number B part. Just check once. You may have doubt in question number B. B part you may have doubt. No one is having doubt in this.
Sir, can I explain from sec A?
Second one. All right. See, this sec A we have to convert in the form of cot A. Okay. So we are having the identity that is sec square A is equals to 1 plus tan square A. This one is clear to you, first line. And why
Yes, sir.
we are choosing this identity? Because tan A we can write in the form of cot A. That is reciprocal of cot. Tan A is reciprocal of what? Cot. So we can write tan square A is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus cot square A. Okay. 1 divided by cot square A. So sec A is nothing but you just take the root of this and you'll get the answer. See if you're having doubt in any steps now. I hope it's clear now, right? And tan
Yes,
A
sir.
and tan A is the easiest part. Tan A is the easiest part. So tan A is equals to what you can write? 1 by cot A. That's it. Here nothing to do only. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
We are moving to the next question now. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of sin A. This is sin A, I think. Check. Sin A only, no? Sin A in terms of sec A. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of sin A in terms of what is this? The sin A on this. Check, children. What is mentioned over here? Question is the same or something different? Write all the trigonometric ratios in form of ratios of A only. It's not something. Only A is there. Okay. Write all the trigonometric ratios of A in terms of sec A. It means that you should write sin A, cos, tan, everything you should write in form of what? Sec. Okay. You have to write everything in the form of sec. Suppose you have to convert sin A in the form of what? Sec A. So what you can convert? Sin A should convert into sec A. So how we can convert, children? This will not be applicable. Sine A is equals to 1 by cosec A. This will not be applicable here because we have to convert it to sec A.
Sir,
One we
is
are
it?
having, yeah, tell,
So we are doing the first bit, right?
yeah.
Yeah, sir. So sin A by 1 equals to sin A plus cos A by 1 divided by cos A equals to sin A by cos A whole by 1 by cos A.
What you
Is
are
it?
using here? What you are using?
Sir, I am using, sir, what can I say about it? Yeah, that sin square theta plus cos square theta. That formula.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. So we can use this formula, children. Children, listen here. This is bit complicated. You should think, then we will easily get. Okay. So here we have to get sine A into sec A. So sec A is the reciprocal of cosec, cos square A, right? So we can write here sine square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. So we have to convert this one into sec square form. So we can write this one as what? Sine square A as it is, you write, plus 1 divided by sec square A is equals to 1. Anyone having doubt, children, in this? Children, anyone having doubt in this step?
No, sir.
So we can write here like this: sine square A is equals to 1
Suraj,
minus. Huh?
just check someone is under waiting room. You admit them.
Actually, I'm admitting the people, but it's showing only joining. They are not able to join over here. I don't know why.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, see, this Chanchal is in waiting room. She joined 2 times before also, but she's not getting to in. I don't know why. So we can write here sine square A is equals to 1 minus 1 divided by sec square A. So what we can write here, sine square A is equals to sec square A minus 1 divided by sec square A. Is it clear, children, till here? Or we can write sine A is equals to root over sec square A minus 1 divided by sec square A. Or we can write what? Sec square A minus 1 divided by sec A. Children who are having doubt, they can ask me. I'm just writing here the steps wise. Those who are having doubt, they can tell me the step number, which step you are having doubt. First, second, third, fourth, fifth step. Who is having doubt in all these steps? Please let me know. Those who are having doubts in these steps, please let me know, children.
Sir, in the fourth step, sir.
See, fourth step, we have taken the LCM, children. See here, divided by 1 is here, no? I have taken just LCM of this. Here is 1 is hidden over here. So 1 and sec square A, LCM is sec square A. Then you have to multiply here by sec square A and minus 1. Now it's clear. Child, it's clear. Tell me, those who are having doubt, they can ask. It's clear, child, tell me. Who was asking the doubt? Rasool, you were asking the doubt? Hemant, is clear or not? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, respond. Then only we can move further, no? So I don't think anybody is having doubt in this again, right? Chanchal, you are getting this. You joined late. You are getting this, Chanchal?
Sir, I internet issue. Can you repeat, sir? And your voice is lagging too.
The voice is lagging means it may be internet problem. You can check your
Yes,
internet.
sir. Yes, sir. I have internet problem. So
Yeah. Now you
can
can
you
hear.
repeat, sir?
Yeah, you can hear me properly.
Yes, sir.
See, what I'm saying here is we have to convert all the trigonometric ratios in terms of sec A. Okay. So we have to convert sine, cos, tan, everything, every trigonometric ratios in the form of sec A. So how we can convert sine A in the form of sec A? If we write this one, this is the identity. Why we are using this identity? Because we can convert this cos square A in the form of sec square A. So we can write here sin square A plus 1 by sec square A is equals to 1. Okay. Till here, second step is clear, Chanchal.
Yes, sir.
Then we are just sending this 1 by sec square on the other side. We are getting 1 minus 1 by sec square A. Then we are taking LCM for this. Then we are writing sec square A minus 1 divided by sec square A. Then if we remove this square part, then root will come on the other side. Then we have to solve, we'll get in sec square A form. Is it clear, children, now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So this is the first what we have converted sine A in the form of sec A form. Now second question is cosine form of sec A. This is the very easiest one. Cos A we should convert to sec A form. So 1 by sec A we can write easily. No changes here, right? So this was the
Yes.
easiest part. Now tan A, how to write tan A in the form of sec A? That is also very easy, right, children? That also is very damn
Yes, sir.
easy because
Sir, it's root over of tan square A equals to root over of sec square A minus 1.
yes, see, tan square A we can use. Tan A we have to convert into sec square A form. So we know the identity only. 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A. We know this identity. So only we have to find tan. So what we can write here, tan square A is equals to sec square A minus 1. Or we can write tan A is equals to root over sec square A minus 1. Anyone having doubt here? Rishi, Chanchal, Adarsh, Paul, Hemant.
No, sir.
All right, we are just moving to next question. That is cosec A. We have to write cosec A in form of what? Sec A. That is very easy, children. See, sin A we found here. No, see, sin A we found here, right? Already. We just reciprocal that part only. So what we can write for cosec A? Cosec is 1 by
Sir, 1
sin.
by sin A equals to 1 by cos A by sin A by cos A equals to sec A by tan A equals to sec A by root over of sec square A minus 1.
So children, we have to just reciprocal this, okay? Numerator we should convert to denominator and denominator to numerator. Just reciprocal this, will get the answer. Okay, children. Fourth one is easy. Only first one were you are feeling difficult. All down one are easy only. Then sec A we should not convert. Now sixth one, fifth one is cot A. Cot A is reciprocal of tan A, children, right? So cot A is reciprocal of tan A. We can write like this. So here is one is hidden over here, right? So if reciprocal, what do you get? Others, what do you get? If you reciprocal, what do you get? Is it clear, children? Those who are having doubt, please let me know. Those who are having doubt here. I don't think anyone is having doubt.
Sir, I do have.
Yeah, tell me your doubt. Tell me your doubt fast. Which part you are getting doubt?
Sir, in the reciprocal part.
Tell me the point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which point you are having doubt?
5, sir. 5, sir. 5 in the end.
Fourth one is clear to you. Fourth one.
Yes, sir.
See, fifth one is cot A, that you know. Cot A is reciprocal of tan A, right? Tan A we are getting here sec square A minus 1. And here 1 is hidden over here. So tan A is reciprocal of cot A. It means what? You just reciprocal this also. 1 divided by sec square A minus 1. Now it's clear or still doubt?
Yes, sir.
If you understood fourth one, fifth one is similar to that. Okay, children, I hope everyone understood this. Now I'm just going to question number 3rd. So this question looks wrong actually. Here you should write square. It's not 2 over here. It's square. Here also a square. Here also a square. Here also a square. So children, here is square over mentioned over here. Here also a square. Here also a square. Here also a square. So we have read complementary angles. What is complement of sec theta? Others, tell me. What is complement of sec theta? Adarsh,
Cosec.
very good. Anaya, you attended the classes? Anan, what's her name?
So actually, I live in America. So when it's morning time for us, I used to go to school, sir. So I'm attending the classes in summer again.
Okay. So this time is suits for you right now.
Yes, sir.
All right. So see, this is a concept of complementary angles. Okay. So complementary angles, we know that sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. And children, if you do a square also, no problem at all. You can write this also. Okay. Sine square 90 minus theta is equal to cos square theta. You can write it this way also. Is it clear to everyone what I'm writing here? If complement of sine theta is cos theta, if you do a square also both sides, that's not a problem. Okay. So here, this, if you add this both, you will get 90. So what I told you, children, I told that either you change this first part or second part. If this is a combination of 90 degree, it means either you should change first one or second one, right? So here I'm just going to try to change the 63 part. Okay, we're just going to try 63 one. So what we can write here, sine square 90 minus 27. Can we write this, children? Can we write this? If you know, you have read the complementary
Yes.
angles, then you might have remembered this. Sine square 27. This is the first part of this. Again, if you see this one, your 17 and 73, this is a combination of 90 degree. So either you change 17 or you change 73. So I'm going to change here first one only, that is cos, division is given over here. This is division. Cos square 90 minus 73 plus cos square 73 degree. Anyone having doubt in this, children? Till here, anyone having doubt?
No, sir.
All right. So see what we can write. Yeah, tell me. Ask your doubt. Don't hesitate to ask. Someone is asking doubt somewhere, right? All right, children. So see, sine square 90 minus theta, that is your cos square theta. So cos square 27 plus sine square 27. So this is your numerator divided by cos square 90 minus theta, that is sine square theta, sine square 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree. So this is a combination of identity, right? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to what? 1. So 1 divided by 1 is nothing but 1. This is your answer. Any one of you having doubt till here? Any one of you having doubt?
No, sir.
All right. So question number second of it. Here also we have to do the same thing. We have to make the combination of 90 degree over here. So see, there is two combination you can see here. First one is 25 and 65. And second combination is 25 and 65 though for this. Okay. So this blue part and green part, whatever you're going to see, that either you change any one of these two or any of these two. Okay. The first part only I'm going to change here. I'm changing here sine theta. That is sine 90 minus 65 I can write. Okay. Then I'll write here cos 65 as it is plus cos 90 minus 65 and sine 65. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, that is cos 65 degree, and again cos 65 degree, plus cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, so sine 65 degree, and again sine 65 degree. If you look over here, what we can write here, cos square 65 degree plus sine square 65 degree. So your answer is 1 over here. Is it clear, children? You know, this type of question, you may have doubt one place in the exam time. You know why? What you get? Sine square 90 minus 67. Don't write again sine square and this, and you subtract this one and do that. Okay. 90 minus 70 is 20, 23. Don't write like this. You have to convert sine into cos. So cos square 67 you should write. Remember that. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. You may have doubt here. Okay, children. Children will do mistake in this type of questions like this. Once again, I'm telling you what is the type here. Cos 90 minus 20, if I tell, you will write here cos 70. Don't write in this way. This is not the way. Cos you change to sine. Sine 90 minus theta is what? Sorry, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Theta value is 20. Okay. Remember this. You may have doubt or you may do mistake in this type questions. Is it clear? Do both questions of third one? Anyone want to ask doubt in third one? No one, right?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll solve question number 4, first one. This is not sine 2a, this is sine square a, and this is tan square a. Okay, 9 sine square sec square a, and this is tan square a. So what is the answer for this, children? Let me know fast. Tell me the answer for this. 1980. What is the answer for this? What would be the answer for this?
The 9.
Okay, 9. Anybody else? Anybody else?
9.
All right. So see, children, what to do? It's nothing is to do anything here. All right. Anaya is 9. How, Anaya? How we are getting the 9? Because we are getting 9 common here. Sec square a minus tan square a. This is the identity, right? 9 into 1, that is answer is 9. This is the identity, children. That is 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, or we can write sec square a minus tan square a is equals to 1. Okay. Now next question. What would be the answer for this? Children, tell me fast. The second question of this. You need to solve, I think. All of you start solving.